Hello and welcome to low impact 10 minutes cardio session. This is going to be all standing workout, so you're not going to need anything else besides yourself. I'll be showing you high impact modifications as we go along the workout. The timer will be set for 50 seconds of work and 10 seconds rest. So let's get started. Follow along. Alright, let's get started with our warm-up. We'll start with the side step and back. And back, back. Open your chest. Looking good out there. All right, can you take your feet up like this? Yep. Very good. Now we'll take a moment for a few breaths. Stand and breathe in. Raise your hands up. Out. Breathe in. Out. And last one. Great job. Let's get right into our main workout. So the first one is going to be side steps with hands punches. Yeah, let's do it. Right, stay here. If you want to follow low impact, if you are feeling high impact today, jump. Jump, jump, jump. But I'm gonna stay low impact. So follow me. Otherwise, go high impact if you're really feeling it today. Great. Let's continue. A few more seconds here. Alrighty, after the next one, we are going to squat, raise up, squat, raise a hand. Let's do it. And you don't have to go this low if you're not feeling that way. Go this much, halfway. And that's okay if that's where you are in your journey. Don't go too low. Five more seconds. And that's it. All right, up next, we are going to do high marches. Right? Let's do it. For high impact, you know what to do. Just go into high knees. Otherwise, stay with me and do high marches. Go as fast or as slow as you'd like. Listen to your body always. All right, up next, we will move and go. If you want, you can touch your knee, touch your toes, or just raise your leg. Let's go. You can just raise your leg again, or touch your toes. Keep going. You're looking good. Right. Almost done here. All right. The next one is skaters. All right. We'll go side to side movement with your lower body angle. Let's go. For high impact, hop. Hop from left to right, right to left. For low impact, stay with me. It's low impact, but definitely not low intensity. Woo! Ready for the next one. We'll go this and up, this and up, and this. Ready? Let's go. Are you feeling the heat? I'm all getting messed up. Ten seconds to go. All right. For the next one, we'll go like this. Cross your hands and cross your legs. All right, in 2, 1, let's go. For high intensity, hop. For low intensity, stay with me.
Invincible.
All the exercises shown as low intensity moves are knee safe, so anyone can do this. Alrighty, for our next move, we will go into the squats with bicep curls, in and out, in and out, out and in. Righty, let's go. Again, you don't need to go to this depth if you don't like to. Stay where you are comfortable. You don't want to hurt yourself in the process. All right, few more seconds. You got it. Alrighty. For the next one, we're going to take again side steps, reach. Side step, reach. Let's get going. For high intensity, hop, 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 hop. All right. For low intensity, stay with me. Side steps and reach. Side steps and reach. right, just 5 more seconds more to go on this exercise. We'll hop on to the next one. All right, the next one, we'll do punches and side straddle. Right, let's go. Again, take the pace according to yourself. And this is the last exercise. And then we'll spend a few minutes cooling down. There you go. Great job. I'm so proud of you. Alrighty, let's spend a few minutes cooling down.
I'll be staying outside, yeah, so I don't think about life, yeah. Can you send me a light, 'cause I can't take it, I can't take it. You got me feeling alright, yeah. Every day by your side, yeah. Can you send me a light, 'cause I can't take it, I can't take it. I don't wanna think about it every day. You know that you kinda wanna feel the same way. So much time, you just had to pretend. I've been so lost, I just wanna run away. Run away, run away right now. I gotta go, I'm wasting my attention. You've been on my mind, I could touch the sky. Starlights, I'll be running up in time, trying to think about you all the time. I don't really need to apologize. I know, but you like it. I'll be staying outside, yeah, so I don't think about life, yeah. Can you tell me a lie, 'cause I can't take it, I can't take it. You got me feeling alright, yeah. Every day by your side, yeah.
Bring your feet in the center and reach. Feel the stretch in the calves and hamstrings. And slowly come up, one vertebra at a time. And roll and up. Alright, thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked that workout. And if you liked it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care, hydrate, and fuel up. Bye-bye.